how to fix FaceTime and iMessages grayed out under settings on your iPhone after new update in your iOS. If you're having this issue on your FaceTime and iMessage, then this video is for you. To solve it, first of all, open your settings you have in your device. Once you are on your settings, go through the Cellular and search for FaceTime and make sure that FaceTime is turned on Cellular. If it is not, then toggle on that button. Once you do that, go back to the settings home page. From here, go through the screen time and then hit on the content and privacy restrictions. Go through the allowed apps under content and privacy restriction and make sure that FaceTime is turned on. If it is not, then toggle on that button. Once you do that and your problem is still not solved, then go through the general under the settings and hit on the transfer or reset iPhone and reset all of your settings. Once you do that, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.